Holdout 1. Let's take it down. Very simple. First thing we do, bring in the bounty hunter and get him to start making a distraction. Bring in 13 wastelanders and make a circle. Just spread them out evenly as you can. Just build your circle. Get these guys a-going. One here. Let's do him over there. Him over there. Him over there. Select all them. Put them on hold. Now let's move our bounty hunter inside and we'll start spreading out the distractions. We're just going to fill the base with these distractions, and the troops that attack will try to kill these guys while the wastelanders kill all the troops. You just spread the troops out throughout the base. I shoot 2 at a time, then I go and shoot some more. Okay, that's enough. Spread them out so that they're evenly distributed. There's enough distractions. I have to fill in some over here. Basically, we'll just fill this whole area. And they will take all the damage, but there's no repair. So you just spread them a little. You're going to need some over here. Some up here. As soon as he shoots, we're good to go. There you go. Let's put some over here. And we just fill all the gaps. And in the meantime, all the troops come in and they're killed by the wastelanders. Let's get some up here. Zoom out a little bit so you can see what's coming. Okay, got that. Let's get some over here. As you can see, as they get close and they're trying to shoot these guys in the middle, the wastelanders are removing them from your area. Okay, let's get some right in here. I think the first level, nothing special comes in. But this is all you do. You just sit here, you distribute these guys, and then you're done. And you win the base. So wherever you think they need to be as the troops come in, spread them out. The easiest holdout yet from my perspective. These wastelanders do a great job of wasting everything. Air, ground. I think they've got 600 range. They're quite efficient. These guys can't even get... See, you're almost done. You're wave 2. And all we're doing is spreading these guys around. Let's put some over here. Again, just wherever you think you'd like to put them. At this point, it doesn't matter. You got more than enough in there. You're going to win the base. So I just keep shooting them. And you're almost done. All these guys start coming. The wastelanders blow them away before they can even get a shot in. Most times I get 0 damage from this level base. Let's put some right there. Let's put some right there. Really doesn't matter where you put them. You got more than enough. Here comes the air. Oh, wait. They don't get close enough. Let's put some right there. It actually gets quite boring. Try to keep yourself from falling asleep. What's the big climax at the end? I forget. Round 1 is so easy. None of them are very hard. Even the bonus is pretty simple. Do it the exact same way, all the bases. As you can see, the Wastelanders are highly efficient. Really good at what they do. Looks like he's just outside the range. So let's kill him. Oh, yeah, I know what this is. Yeah, this is the... That's it. And we get XP. Continue. Because we have bonus 150 and 100. We got very little damage. Let's see how much we got. And then we'll do 2 and a 3, 4, the bonus. Basically, I'm just doing it to do it. Like, I've got all the XP I need, because you get unbelievable amount of XP every time you go through one time, and you get so much XP. It's ridiculous. All right, how are we doing here? Okay, it says no damage. I have a feeling there really is. So, got to go out, go back in. No, okay, no damage. It's just that simple. So, as you can see, the XP, that's just going one time through the bases, you get like 10 million. It's just unbelievable. Okay,